Hello, my name is Shaggy and today we wanted to work together on the fastest way to calculate pH and acid-base in chemistry questions. Stay with me because you will be surprised by the result. First of all, I wanna to give a basic explanation about the definition of acid-base based on Bronsted definition. And then let's go to our calculation. We call substance that can donate protons in a reaction acid, and we call substance that accepts protons base. To get a proton or hydroxide ion concentration, we have a formula. M, N, and alpha. M means molar, I means mole per liter, and N means the number of protons or hydroxide ions that the acid or base can release. And alpha also be dissociation degree. The point that I think is necessary to tell you is that alpha is almost 1 for strong acid and bases because they are completely separate and the reaction is one way. But for weak acids and bases, it is less than 1. Well, let's go to get pH. pH is equal to the negative of the logarithm of the proton concentration. Okay, about the calculates rules. What I want from you is to memorize these few numbers. Never forget them. Of course, memorizing them is not a difficult task. The logarithm of the number 2 is equal to 3/10. I means 0.3, okay? And the logarithm of the number 3 is equal to 0.5. The logarithm of the number 4 is equal to 0.6 and the logarithm of the number 5 is equal to 0.7. If you pay attention, every number plus 2 and has a 1 decimal place make the logarithm of that number in base 10. This is exactly what we need to solve acid and base questions. Except for the numbers 2 and 8, the logarithm of all the numbers I wrote is obtained by the same law that I said, plus 2 and 1 decimal place. I think it's time to solve some questions.